Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger at once. So let's get started. So if you want to delete all the messages from a specific chat, so now to do that, what you can do is just simply open up your Messenger application, and after opening up your Facebook Messenger, now you can just simply go ahead and select the chat that you would like to delete the messages from. So I would like to delete the conversation from this chat. So what I can do is just simply tap and hold on it, and after doing that, just simply tap on delete. And after tapping on delete, you will delete every single conversation with that person. So here you can see guys, this will delete your entire conversation with the following person. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and delete it, and after doing that, the messages will be deleted. So now if you want to delete all the messages from every single chat that you have in your Facebook Messenger, so not only for one person, you want to delete messages from every single person that is in your messenger. Now so to do that, what you have to do is just simply tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left. After tapping on the three bar icon, now you just have to tap on the gear icon which is on the top. After tapping on the gear icon, just scroll down, and here you will find this option which is report technical problem. Just simply tap on report technical problem and then tap on report anywhere. So after tapping on that, just simply tap on include, and after doing that, now what you can do is just simply go ahead and type in that you want to delete every single messages, and after doing that, you can just simply go ahead and then send your feedback to Messenger, and then Messenger will try to fix the problem. So it will try to delete every single messages as you want. So that's it guys, this is how to delete all your messages on Facebook Messenger at once. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.